Today I'm going to be reviewing my Bible case. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for me, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, the Bible case comes in a package just like this, so I'm going to be taking it out and showing you what is included when you receive your Bible case. Right, so check it out. It is nice. It is a quilted Bible case. Take a look. It has the gold zipper all around it. I do like that it has zippers, so you don't have to worry about your Bible falling out of the case. I've gotten one like this before, but it doesn't have the zipper, so the Bible was kind of heavy for it to hold on. As you can see, it also has these hooks right here, so we're gonna go ahead and check inside. It should have a string, so you could go ahead and hang it over like a purse, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it just so you could see the size. So this fits your Bible, so let's go ahead and unzip it. It does have a pocket right here in the front. So in the front, so it does have the two handles as well. Take a look. So you could carry it like this, or you could go ahead and carry it like a purse, which I'll show you that strap. But as you can see, you could go ahead and hand carry it. It does have a pocket right here in the front, so you could put like extra things in here. Let me go ahead and open it up. Beautiful. Wow. I love the inside. It has like a light pink color. It does have slots in here, so you could put like your pens, your highlighters, put like note cards, index cards. It does have different pockets. So let me go ahead and give you a closer look on that. This is one side of it. So it does have these extra pockets right here. It has these smaller ones, and then it also has these right here, so you can put like pens, highlighters, anything like that. On this side right here, as you can see, it has these little elastic bands, so you can put more pens, more highlighters, pencils. And then right here on this side, it does have like a see-through mesh little bag. It does have a zipper, so if you want to put anything in there, as you could see, you could zip it back up. And it also has another pocket. So it does have a lot of compartments. Now let me go ahead and show you what is included in here. So as you can see, you get some colorful pastel colored pens. So you get 6 pastel colored pens. Super cute if you want to go ahead and put the stickers on your Bible. So these right here are tabs for your Bible. Makes it a lot easier to find, especially when you are in service, in church, to go ahead and find your spot in the Bible. These are so helpful. So as you can see, these are included. Next, you also get some highlighters. Again, these are pastel colors, but you get a lot of highlighters. These are perfect, especially if you're gonna use them on your Bible. So cute. These are little paper clips, or you could use them as well on your Bible. But if you could see, they're like little crosses. Then next, this is a strap I was talking about. This actually could hook, so I'll show you that one next, how it hooks. And it even has like a little shoulder pad right here, and it matches the bag, so it has like that quilted look. Now here is a black pen. And last, you get a cute little notebook for your notes. So it's just like a lined notebook, so you can go ahead and take notes while you're in church and service. Super cute that this is included. Very, very nice. On this side, this is where your Bible is going to go. As you can see, it has an elastic strap, so it's going to go ahead and hold your Bible, prevent it from flopping around. So it does have this little elastic strap. All right, so let me show you. This is the strap for the purse, and let me give you a closer look at that. So you can see, this is what the hook looks like. So you want to go ahead and hook this onto the bag. You want to just go ahead and press down. That's going to open the hook. So we're going to go ahead and just hook it through. Super easy to do. Just press down, and just like that, snap it into place, hook it through, and then you can go ahead and carry it over the shoulder just like that. And it is adjustable, so if you want to make it longer or shorter, you can adjust the strap just like a regular purse. So you can go ahead and adjust that strap, make it a little bit higher, make it a little bit lower, or like I mentioned before, you go ahead and carry this just like this, like a handheld bag. So overall, if you've been looking for a Bible bag that has all your essentials, you can carry your Bible, and also has goodies included like pens, highlighters, Bible tabs, paper clips, and even a notebook to take notes, then I would highly recommend you check this one out. I like how affordable it is. I like the quality, and not only is it available in black, it's actually available in a variety of styles and patterns. So I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.